Hello, this is Rita from Shenzhen Jia Technology. Today I would like to introduce our resistor power strip for you. The resistor power strip is a power solution for furniture, charging solution for furniture. They can invest in the furniture. It's easy to use. We have US standard, EU standard, AU standard. This one in my hand is US standard with two AC outlets, one Type-C and one USB ports. The cover is 16 August. The length of the cover is 1.5 meters or 2 meters. With 3-pin US standard plug.